In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix taskbar icons missing on Windows 11. If you're finding that your taskbar icons aren't showing up properly, don't worry, because we're going to walk through some simple steps to get them back on your screen. First, we'll start by restarting Windows Explorer. This is a quick way to refresh your taskbar and desktop interface, which can often resolve the issue of missing icons. To do this, you'll need to open the Task Manager. The easiest way is by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and E together. Once the Task Manager is open, you'll want to locate the Processes tab. Scroll through the list until you find Windows Explorer. Now this part is easy. Simply right-click on Windows Explorer and select the Restart option from the drop-down menu. What this does is it resets the graphical interface of your system, which often brings back any missing taskbar icons and generally refreshes your desktop, making it responsive again. Now if you've restarted Windows Explorer and you're still not seeing all your taskbar icons, the next step is to dive into your taskbar settings. This can be done quickly by opening the Settings menu. Simply press the Windows key plus the I key on your keyboard and your settings should appear. From here, you'll want to navigate over to the Personalization section, then click on Taskbar. In this taskbar settings area, you'll see various options relating to the appearance and behavior of your taskbar. What you need to do is verify that both the apps and system icons that you want to appear are indeed enabled. This ensures that your taskbar is set to display all the icons you need. Additionally, you might be missing specific icons from the system tray, that little group of icons located generally in the bottom right. Windows 11 sometimes keeps these icons hidden by default. To adjust this, look for an option that says Other System Tray Icons. Go ahead and click on that. You will see a list of the potential icons that can appear in your system tray. Scroll through and turn on any icons that you'd like to see regularly accessible. Following these steps should help you restore your missing taskbar icons on Windows 11, whether they're standard app icons or those nestled in the system tray. If your icons are still missing after these fixes, it might be worth considering a system update, as updates can often address known bugs and issues in the operating system. Keeping your system updated ensures that you have the latest features and security fixes from Microsoft. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped resolve your icon issues on Windows 11. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Have a great day.